Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace a water pump. This one you see right here. This is from 2011. We also deep clean the showers, replace the shower screen and deep clean the shower head. This is the older one. You can see the coffee build up in there. Replace the gasket, and we also had to replace this hose that was connecting the water pump to the boiler. This is the part you see right here, basically broke off. We had to remove it in there, but we were able to successfully remove the entire thing, replace it with a newer one, and now the machine is not leaking water here, which was previously doing. And yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. We discarded the machine as well after we replaced these, and we made sure that the boiler was not leaking. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna be using some steam and then some hot water. I'll be right back for a go. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Unfortunately, I did not tamper correctly as I should have, and we did not have any good crema coming out of the machine, coming out of the espresso shot. So I'll do that again and we'll be right back. Okay, now I tamper a bit harder and I'm using a much finer grind. You can see our older espresso shot, while it wasn't the best, we still got some good crema coming out from there. Now for the other shot, I tamper a bit too hard. As you can barely see, it's barely dripping. As the water is channeling through the portafilter and through the grounds, we're gonna see an increase in flow coming out from the spouts and a good extraction. As you can see, there are no leaks coming out from the portafilter or anything around the machine while it's working. I'm going to start manually stop it right here, as this is 1 ounce. As you saw, that one is 1 ounce, and yes, you can see that it's very compact, and I tampered a bit too hard on this one. Flow coming out from the group head, as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out through the shower screen. Working great. And now we're gonna use the steam. Okay, the machine is almost getting to temperature, so we can test the steam. These two are our previous shots, and you can see it's steaming out quite nicely. As you can see, going up to the 1. Great pressure. Working amazing. So there you have it, Rancilio working once again with a new pump and ready to brew. Thank you so much for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. Thanks for watching.